Lewis. That actually hurt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why have you got a Royal Mail post box outside your house?
I don't know.
Is it your post box?
No.
Crap. Oh, no.
It's where you post your mail. Small retarded child.
Yeah, you asked that.
I know. Ow! Oh, ow!
Gay. Well, gay.
You're obsessed with gay, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm totally gay myself.
You just admitted that on a YouTube post.
Oh, come on, you ran away from me on YouTube, like, video.
You just admitted you're gay on a YouTube video.
Everyone knows I am, really.
Oh, okay. That was pretty disgusting.
Was it?
Yeah.
Is that the number 2 or 1?
Number 1.